I completed those 3 projects you wanted done by today. The other 6 developers did not have time to do.
Great. Thanks for picking up the slack. This is how teams work together. We have a big problem. You need to stop working on your web services.
Why? Are they causing a problem?
Yes. They are not using WCF.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. What problem is WCF solving?
Your web services are old. WCF is new.
Okay, but what business problem will rewriting the web services solve?
Your web services are old and slow.
That is news to me. What is slow about them?
They use SOAP. SOAP is slow.
As compared to what?
WCF is new and fast.
Do you have a comparative analysis?
I have the enterprise document outlining the framework I want to use.
I read the document. The web services already do everything in the middle tier.
Your slow web service uses SOAP and XML causes all kinds of problems.
Did you know WCF uses SOAP to transport its metadata? All the WCF data contracts are transmitted using XML.
No, we will write our own TCP/IP services and stream everything in binary.
Writing those services is not trivial. Why not use IIS and let it handle the heavy lifting?
That is what I meant. No web services.
IIS is Microsoft's Web Service Management Console. If we use WCF, the service will be a web service.
It will not be using SOAP or XML. It is outlined in the enterprise document.
The document has no technical specifications.
It has a UML diagram.
UML is not really a technical specification.
We are working on the technical specifications and rewriting all your slow web services in WCF.
You are rewriting all my code without a specification?
Yes.
Since I am the system architect, I probably should have been included in the discussion.
We demoted you to an application developer. Application developers are not able to make those important decisions.
I have been making the important decisions for almost 15 years. Demoting me does not affect my ability to solve business problems.
You solved those problems using web services, and web services are slow.
Those services were written before WCF almost 5 years ago and solved the scaling problem. The website. We saved almost $300,000 in hardware costs the first year and nearly $5 million over the next 3 years.
I am not talking about the past. WCF is the future and you are only an application developer. These are management decisions.
Then I am confused. Business grew over 575% in the past 3 years and all the services scaled exactly the way they were designed. That sounds like smart management decisions to me.
No, we are changing this cowboy coding mentality. Billion-dollar companies do not scale without a team that works together towards a common goal.
Cowboy what? That made no sense. Never mind, who is writing the code?
The team managers and assigned junior developers.
Managers are writing code?
Yes. They used to be developers.
Some of the team members are just out of college and have not been here a year. They have little experience in multi-tier development.
They will use WCF. Including you would be a mistake because you want to use those slow web services.
Who told you that?
You are still using SOAP for everything.
No. We haven't needed to create a new service and that code hasn't changed for over 3 years. I don't disagree with using WCF, but the architecture is more important than acronyms.
Didn't you read the ING document? You should have been using WCF.
WCF was not a viable technology at the time. I was never told to rewrite the services, and rewriting the services have never been part of any company-level project.
It is now.
So I should have known 5 years ago and written the services in a technology not available?
Yes.
That does not make sense. Who knows what new acronym Microsoft will be pushing 5 years from now?
You are not a team player and a cowboy. You are refusing to use WCF.
No, I don't. I've used WCF in the newest services I wrote for my current project.
Probably using XML. We have had numerous meetings and decided not to use XML.
Meetings I was not invited to and never told about the decisions made in the meetings by managers with no enterprise service experience.
Yes.